Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to change image size in Photoshop. I'm opening the image. Go to image size. This image current size is 5760 by 3840 and resolution is 72 pixels. Now let's change the size. I'm making width 3000 pixels and height 2000 pixels and resolution 100 pixels. Okay. Here you can see this becomes as small than before because of changing the size of this image. And that's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.